Welcome back to my channel. The ticking that you hear is the Haunted Mansion clock from Disneyland, and today I am going to share my After the Pin of my Happy Planner, this time just my cousin, and the A6 Weekly Supplement for last week. So let's quickly go through this one. This is, I guess, basically is my catch-all journal or planner, and so this is for this week. Today is Tuesday. Not much to show here. This is for last week. And then the week before that, oops. Oh, the thing I did want to share was the books that I had planned to read. I decided to do it like this. I wanted to reread this book, and I haven't started yet. I've read a couple of chapters for Moon Called, and then for The Merciful Crow, I still only read, I think I've read 4 chapters, but I'm not sure. I need to look at the book again. And then I also have my expense and my bills on 2 separate sheets that look similar to this, which I won't share. So this is my Happy Planner, my Catch-All Planner. Let's next go with the Cousin, which I keep in this bag from Daiso. And it's my Cookie Monster. So let me share the, I decided to get back into the doodling. So for April, the Hobonichi Challenge is with flowers. So I write the prompts here. To find the prompts, I'm not too sure if the Hobonichi Facebook group has the prompts listed in their files, but if you have Instagram, you can, I guess, hashtag search Hobonichi Challenge 2021, and you should come up with the prompts for this month. So I wrote them down here. And so this is for today, which I haven't done yet. This is for yesterday, which again I haven't done. But I did do, so this is poppies, and I decided just to write a little bit about the flower, because I do like to garden. And I just watered color in the flower after doing a quick search online. This is my version of the Double Delight Rose, which is my favorite rose. It smells really, really good, and it's gorgeous. Each flower does not look like the next flower. It's really pretty, but this is my version of it. This is lavender. I try to do English and the French. I think there's a Spanish one too. I need to try and squeeze that one in. And then a tulip. And then I didn't do anything for March, so there's nothing to share there. Oh, and then the weekly layout, let's go there. So this is for this week, which I haven't decorated yet or even filled in, so I need to get caught up with that today after I'm done filming. This is for last week. Just a little bit of washi, page flags from Daiso. And then the week before, I went with Mickey. So this is my Hobonichi Cousin. And lastly, the A6 Weekly Supplement, which I keep, ooh, the sun came out, which I keep in the 5-year Hobonichi leather cover. I will show you, I did not do anything yet for this week. So here it is, just the plain Jane. So I need to go in and fill this in. I'm actually getting my COVID shot this Saturday, so I'm kind of excited to do that so I can see my parents and hug them once all that is done. This is for last week, and then the week before. So this is a really quick look of the After the Pin of my Happy Planner, my cousin, and then the A6 Weekly Supplement in here. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe if you're interested in seeing, I guess, more videos kind of like this. I am expecting a package from the Happy Planner, so hopefully I'll get that soon. Everything that I bought was on sale. And what else am I expecting? I think that's it. Yeah. So I should see you guys here in a day or two. And then if not, I'll see you again next week for another After the Plan video. After the Pin video next week. Okay, have a good week, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!